the best four-wheeling in the rain. Oh, that rear axle is making tons of noise now. Oh! Deep! Am I still recording? Holy. Yeah, boy. Out. You just killed something.
Huh?
You just broke something.
What?
Tie rod or something's fuck. Your one wheel's doing this. You see his one wheel? Your one wheel wasn't turning there. Like it's literally wasn't moving there. Tie rod's bent.
No, it's fine.
Is it? You'll see it when you're out, though.
It pulls again. It pulls like this.
Look at the one wheel.
Yeah.
That's the way it's supposed to be.
I don't know if it's supposed to be like that.
Come look at it now, Chris.
Oh, it's fine now.
Oh, straighten your wheel back, though. The way you had it. Try to straighten one. Try to straighten it. See what I mean? It ain't supposed to look like that.
Tie rod's bent?
Something's bent.
Yeah, let's get it out. Your tie rod's fine.
Yeah, but see how cocked the wheel is? Maybe that's the way it's supposed to be. Let's get her out and take a look at it.
Can we tighten that?
Oh, we can tighten that up if we got 2 wrenches. Go around! Got some noise. Alright! Go around, he says! Into the swamp! Let's see what's going on. Whoa! Wow! Holy fuck! Now help me out! You could die in here! Alright, girl. Let's see what you got. Ooh, not good. It's super deep over there. Catch up to him. Let's go.
I don't want to stop if I get
Who cares? Let's go. I'll push you out. Tidal wave them!
I could have made that.
Am I still recording? Go give him a push!
Well, the Suzuki made it through here. See, there's the Suzuki. It made it through here. There's an XMR coming. Oh, you can hear him giving her. Or, oh, it's Walt. Oh, here he comes. You going that way? I went that way. It's the same as that. Yeah, it's the same. It gets a little shallower as you go. Oh, deep. Oh, here comes the fucking XMR.
Alright, guess we'll get off and help these guys. Oh, it's fucking deep. I'm coming, man.
Yeah! Oh, watch out for the tree stump! There you go. Give her the beans! There's a tree stump there or something, I don't know. There you go. Is Coe coming through? Coe's coming through.
Nobody comes back for me.
Oh, I'm probably gonna have to go help him.
Come on, fight! Heck, I need a bush!
Holy fuck! Hey, Coe! Turn your wheels that way.
Yeah, well, it's hard.
You're hung up on a tree stump. Or a tree branch, sorry. Hold on a second, let me get on the other side of the front.
Oh, I ran on my leg like 3 times.
Fucking deep.
Last gear. I hit the kill switch.
Keep it like that. Somebody keep that exhaust pipe out. Get her.
Get her going.
Get her running.
Huh? I can't get it going.
It just went. There you go. Yeah, he blew that back drive shaft. Other side, Coe.
Oh, look at that wheels. not turning no more? Motherfucker! Fuck! That's not even a big model.
We got the one-wheel drive Can-Am here. Look at this, we're going down this. Walt just got stuck up. Oh, he's stuck again. There he goes. Hey, this is my turn to go. I'm gonna go that way. That looks like the easier way. Yeah, Walt took the hard way. And it's starting to rain again. That's a steep ass hill. I think we climbed that last year. It's obviously gotten a little worse. Well guys, we had to cut the ride a little short today. Coleman broke 2 axles. So we road ride most of the way home. We found this little trail that goes down alongside the highway here. We're getting freaking pissed on right now. It is coming down. Holy fucker. We're getting a torrential downpour right now. But yeah, not every ride could be a great condition ride, but it makes it fun, that's for sure. Please subscribe if you like what you've seen, and yeah, have a good one.